It doesn't matter if it's a cold day or a hot day. Either way, it's a work day. And what defines a work day isn't the weather, but what gets done. You're going to run into less than ideal conditions, but that doesn't mean you have to be uncomfortable. At least not when you have a Ranger XP1000 NorthStar. An industry leader in climate control, it puts your comfort in your hands. Seasons change from hot to cold and everything in between. But throughout it all, there's one thing you can count on. Ranger XP1000 NorthStar, helping you manage any condition in order to tackle the task at hand. Even if the task at hand isn't work at all.